Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use background remover in Instagram. So guys and everybody, that feature is only available on the Instagram stories. So if you want to post something on Instagram, a reel or a picture or anything that you want to post, it's not available on these choices. So what I advise you to do is to go into a editing program like a CapCut and Filmora and some others. Anyways, and for now I will just show you how to use background remover in Instagram, and as I told you, it's only available on stories. So let's go into our Instagram, and right here as you can see we are on the home page. So what I want to do right here is to go into your story right here, tap on it, and after that I want you to choose that background that you wanted to be on your story. So for me I will go just with this black one. Alright, and right here what I want to do is to go into this sticker right here on the top of your screen, tap on it, and after that I want you to go into this cut out this feature, tap, and right here I will just set an example with this picture that I just bring from Google Pictures. Tap on it, and right here what I want to do is to go into use sticker right here, tap on it, and yeah, as you can see we removed the background of this picture. So everybody, that's how to use background remover and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.